Hello, Hornet. Welcome to Sac State's review of the IRS verification of non-filing letter. This process can be applied to the student and/or parent. This review will help you understand how to request your letter of the non-filing from the IRS to satisfy your financial aid. A letter of non-filing statement is a letter you obtain from the IRS, which verifies that you did not file taxes. If you have never worked or you did not earn enough wages to be required to file taxes, this applies to you. There are several ways to obtain the non-filing letter from the IRS. You may start your request by visiting irs.gov, where you will select the option Get Your Tax Record. The first and fastest option is to request your letter online. This requires you to create an account with the IRS. The second option is to request your letter by mail. Please note that it takes 5 to 10 calendar days to receive your letter by mail. The third option is to fill out the Request for Transcript of Tax Return, which is known as the 4506T tax form. The requester must complete lines 1A through 5 where applicable. Then, you will need to check the box on line 7 to request verification of non-filing, and on line 9, enter December 31st and the year requested. The final option is to submit a non-filer written statement if you were unable to obtain a letter from the IRS for any of the reasons: you do not have a social security number, employer identification number, or an individual taxpayer identification number. You will need to submit a signed statement that confirms 1. You did not file taxes, 2. The reason for not filing taxes with the IRS for the tax year requested, and confirm if you earned or did not earn income for that year. If you worked, list the sources and the amount of income from each source. If you did not work, identify how you financially supported yourself with no income or if you received government assistance. Make sure to provide your name, Sac State ID, confirm the reasons as previously mentioned earlier in the video for not obtaining a letter from the IRS with a pen-to-paper signature and date.
Once you are ready to submit your financial aid documents, you can upload them using our online upload link. Scan the QR code on the screen to access the link. You can also check out our video tutorial on how to use our online upload link. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our office, the Student Service Center. We are located in Lassen Hall, room 1000. You can reach out to us via phone at 916-278-1000, option 2, or email at sacstatessc@csus.edu. Follow us on Twitter, TikTok, or Instagram to stay up to date. Our user handle is at sacstatessc. If you want to see more of these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. You got this, Hornet. Stingers up!